So let's look at this. Okay, we got only negative 4, 0, 1, 0, 0, 12. That's our three coordinates. That's all they gave you, and you must use this to find the equation of the parabola. Okay? So we got the x-intercepts. Negative 4, 0, 1, 0. That means we got the x-intercept. So we can use the x-intercept form. We can say y equal to a x minus x1 x minus x2. I can use this equation because I've got my x-intercepts. So I'm going to say y is equal to a x plus 4 x minus 1. Remember, always the opposite signs. If it's negative 4, your x-intercept, then then we put in plus 4. Okay? Because it's minus 4 here, so you must put in plus 4, because negative 4 plus 4 gives you 0. Okay? And then here it's 1, so you put in negative 1. And now you need to solve A. Normally the challenge is to solve your A. Okay? So that's why you get this one also. They can give you any other coordinate. And then you just substitute it. So 12 goes in the place of y. And 0 goes in the place of x. And then when you solve this, you're going to get negative 4a equal to 12. So divide by negative 4, so a is equal to negative 3. And therefore it's going to be y equal to negative 3, x plus 4, x minus 1. And now you just simplify. Negative 3, x squared plus 4x minus 1x gives you plus 3x minus 4. Multiplied in, negative 3x squared minus 9x plus 12. And there's the parabola. Okay, the equation.